Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here in NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, the first step that you need to do is create a chart. So we click here on new and then we click here on chart and then we search right here for something. No, let's search for something. I think maybe we will do this. This is fine. Then we do okay right here. And now we are having here a chart. And to be honest, guys, I just need a chart to show you how to take profit, and it doesn't matter which symbol it is. So what you need to know, it's very, very tough to find it, and it's very hidden on NinjaTrader. But if you are having the chart right here, you can click right here on the chart trader. So if you click here on chart trader and we do chart trader right there, now you see right here a chart. And I don't know what happened right here, but let's change this a little bit to 10 minutes. Okay, this is because of my stop loss. So what we're going to do right here is I'm closing this position and now we are back here on our trade. Then what I need to tell you guys is that was a stop loss, and that stop loss was so low that my chart was a little bit trippy. But right now we go further with the take profit, because if we want to create ourselves a position, we just opened right here the chart trader, and then you see this screen right here. And now what we're going to do is select right here the simulation account that you want to use. Select right here the quantity that you want to buy. So 1 is fine for now. And then we select right here the ATM strategy. And then we do custom. And then right here, he will show us this screen. Then the first thing that you need to know, that if you want to create yourselves a take profit, you can do that with ticks or with currency, percent, price, or pips. So you need to decide for yourself which one you want to use. I want to use price, so I select price. And then we go right here to take profit. This we delete, and then take profit is standing on, let's say, $1,000. That is fine. And then right now we select here OK. Then we created ourselves a nice position with a take profit. So now when our position will goes up to 1K profit, he will automatically close the trade. So this is where you can create yourselves a take profit. If you have more questions about NinjaTrader, please comment that down below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.